In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove custom fields in GoHighLevel tutorial. Custom fields let you store extra details about contacts, deals, or other records. Over time, unused fields can clutter your database, confuse your team, and even break forms and automations if they point to the wrong place. Today, I'll show you the cleanest way to remove any custom fields you no longer need while avoiding common pitfalls. Start by opening your GoHighLevel workspace and heading to Settings. You'll find Settings in the main navigation. It's where all account-level controls live. Make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account before you continue, because changes here only apply to the location you currently have selected. Inside Settings, go to Custom Fields. This is the page that lists every custom field available in your current location. Take a moment to scan the list and identify exactly which fields are safe to remove. If a field feeds a form, a pipeline stage, or an automation, deleting it can cause missing data in those places. When in doubt, double-check with your team or export a quick backup of your data for peace of mind. Next, select the checkbox beside each field you want to delete. You can choose a single field or multiple fields at once. Review the field names and types carefully here. This is your last chance to catch anything that should be kept. Remember that removing a field deletes the value stored in that field across your records. With your selections made, click Bulk Actions. Bulk Actions groups the tools that apply to all the items you've selected, which makes cleanup fast and consistent. From the Bulk Actions menu, click Delete. This command removes the selected custom fields from your location. If a confirmation notice appears, read it carefully so you understand the impact on forms and automations connected to those fields. After deletion, refresh the page or revisit any forms to verify everything still behaves as expected. That's it. By navigating to Settings, opening custom fields, selecting the fields you no longer need, and using bulk actions to delete them, you'll keep your database lean, reduce confusion for your team, and prevent bad data from creeping into your workflows. If you're maintaining multiple locations, repeat the same process in each one to stay consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing. A quick note. You'll need the right permissions to manage custom fields, so check with your account admin if you can't access this page. And consider documenting your field naming conventions going forward to keep everything tidy.